What up, YouTube? Today I'm doing an unboxing of the KYB gas adjust shocks. Now this particular is for a 400 3rd gen. Mine's a 99 limited. Awesome truck. Is just on the freeways, dangerous and soaring back and forth. My tires are getting scuffed up. Thank God I haven't, heavy war, but I looked up and researched that that means that the shocks are completely done, and they are, because every single bump, my God, it feels, I can't even explain it. It feels like real rough. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this unboxing. I kind of was like trying to open. I was like, no, I should make a video first before I try to open them. Let's go with these. These are the hardware. And then the actual strut itself. These are for the back. What the hell? It's a little painted off right there. See, the back is the same. What the hell? It's coming off a little bit. Shouldn't be a problem. That's gonna come off through time anyway, so looks solid. Yeah, so these are the KYB gas adjust. These are inputted for a 3rd gen Toyota 4Runner. And this right here, I went ahead and opened the box a little bit. I didn't look inside, but I opened the box because these are stapled box. And this is the front strut. This is for the front. The other one I had on my truck, I just grabbed one. I was like, I'll make a video real quick. Here, perfect, unlike the other ones right here. Yeah, this is the front strut. Mine are compressed by the spring itself, so I have to buy a little tool. I don't have it. Either, hopefully, all this one still rents it or something. It's been a while since I've written anything from them. Let's see what's out of the box. Oh, I got paperwork we never read. Instructions. Oh, they got the shield, the dust shield. I was gonna buy the other. They're red. They're supposedly heavy duty, and they have this rubber cover bit that serves just for towing and all that. But I never really tow in my 4Runner. I usually just use it for work, just to get to work and back. Maybe put some stuff in the bag, but that's it. Pretty much it. What else we got? Oh yeah, we got the hardware. Yep, I thought I would make a quick video on these gas adjusts. I will make another video on seeing on their performance, and I'll probably make a video on them installing them. Yep. In the front. I'm not gonna open the other box. Obviously, it's the same shock, Screw it. We'll open it. Gotta see if there's what condition they came in, And this is the other one. Yeah, for some reason they came off like this. I don't know what, but it shouldn't be too much of an issue. I mean, the bolt's gonna go in there. The bolt just hugs there, and it'll stay there. You know. But yeah, these are the gas adjust by KYBs. Comment in the bottom if anybody has bought these shocks before and their performance on them. I normally buy Monroe, but people can say, "Oh, that's basic," and these are not like regular shocks. They're either nitrogen, like pressurized, or some other type of gas, you know, inside the. They are made in Malaysia, so good thing they're not made in China. There it is. Alrighty, comment on the bottom. Let me know you guys' experience with these shocks. Again, this is from a 3rd gen Toyota 4Runner. Love the truck. It's just harsh right now on the ride. Alright. Make sure to subscribe, comment on the bottom. Thank you very much.